Hello everybody, and welcome to HTML the complete course. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and is the basic structure for web pages and applications. In order to become a web developer, you will first need to learn HTML. It is very easy to learn, it won't take more than a few hours to form a good understanding of the syntax. Before we can start writing HTML, we need a text editor. You can use your own, but I recommend Notepad++. The link to the website for this editor is notepad++.org. Go to the download page and choose a release. I will choose the newest version. Download it and install the software. Just follow the installation instructions. Okay, that was the only preparation that we needed. See you in the next video.